Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little different. Usually you guys are so used to me cooking, showing you guys what I eat in a day, but this video, we are going on a 48-hour water fast. So today is Wednesday, the 23rd. And right now it's 6:40 p.m. Eastern time. I just posted on my Instagram story. I said, who wants to do a 48 water fast with me starting now? And I have a little poll on there, and there's three options. A is yes, let's do it. B is girl, I don't know if I can do that. And C is maybe next time. And then I posted my start for my fasting app. So I'll like post what I'm talking about like right here. But yeah, this video is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna go on a 2-day or 48-hour water fast. So that means I'm not going to eat anything for 48 hours. I'm only gonna drink water, maybe like coffee, maybe, but like, okay, so the rule of thumb, and I don't know who made this up. I don't know if this is actually true, but I've seen it all over Google, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So when you're going on a fast, they say that if you have a beverage that's over 50 calories, you're technically breaking your fast. So if you have a coffee, like black coffee, and maybe like a tiny bit of creamer, I feel like that's gonna be under 50 calories. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm gonna try to just drink water. And then Friday night is when I can eat. If I want to, I can continue going because I usually don't eat after 6 anyway, so maybe we'll keep the fasting going. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm able to have willpower, how I'm able to distract myself, and I'm also going to show you guys my weight within those 2 days and see how much weight I lose in 2 days. And I know it's not like fat, but it's still weight. The scale's still moving. It's probably mostly going to be water weight, which that's okay. You know, fasting is so good for you. You're not starving yourself. You're really like just resetting your body. You know what I mean? So anyways, I hope you guys can do this with me next time. Follow me on Instagram so that way you'll know when I post, and then we can just do this all together. So yeah, maybe I'll see you guys in the morning because I'm gonna just go do a quick YouTube workout, take a shower, and hit the hay. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
I won't make it easy for you now. Up my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it.
Alright guys, I am heading into the shower. I just wanted to show you guys my day. We exercised for almost 40 minutes, stood every hour for 13 hours, burnt a total of 512 calories, so pretty good. Well guys, since we're not really filming that much about food today, I'm just shopping. I've been eyeing this Lululemon belt bag. I've watched hundreds of TikToks on it, and I think I'm going to go ahead and buy it. I don't own anything Lululemon, but since I'm traveling soon, I wanted something that's like crossbody. So I think it's a good price too. I was expecting it to be way more expensive. It's only $48. And I'm gonna get the 2L belt bag, and I'm gonna get it in the white opal color. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Oh, did I already add it? Yeah, I did. I have 2 in my cart. We don't want that. If you guys have the belt bag by Lululemon, leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys love it. It comes in the 1L or 2L, and I think it also comes in the mini. I was debating the 1L or 2L, but After watching many TikToks, I think the 2L is the winner. All right, I'm gonna buy this and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. It's bright and early. Actually, it's not bright, but it's really early. It's 6:15 a.m. It's the next day, continuing my 48-hour water fast. Okay, we're gonna go to work. I've purposely planned to go into the office today, just so that I don't pack anything and I can just drink water. So, yeah, let's go to work. Okay, so I know last night I told you guys I was going to get the white opal color for this, but I just actually ordered the one in trench, so it's the trench color. So I just bought it and I'm gonna go pick it up today at the store, but I was doing, oh, let me see, and it's so pretty. It's like a creamy white, but then do you guys see the material? Do you guys see like the material? It's like so different from the trench, which this one kind of has more of like a yellow tone to it, but still like not yellow. So the material on this is just like it looks better, so it looks more sturdy, doesn't look like cheap. So anyway, I got the trench. It was a good price. It was only like $48.50 with tax. So I'm excited. We're gonna go pick it up later after work today and I'll show you guys. So this is just coffee. As you guys saw, I did the hazelnut flavor and I did 2 little things of the hazelnut creamer. So this is what I have. I'm probably gonna drink maybe just one today. Hey guys, I just want to give you guys an update. It is 4:18. You guys can see it's 4:18. Still going strong. Got my water here. I did stop at the store real quick to grab a rotisserie chicken and mashed potatoes for the kids and for Jamal to have for dinner tonight. And as you guys saw, I picked up my Lululemon belt bag. I'm so excited. When I get home, I'll try it on for you guys. But I am excited to weigh myself when I get home just to see how much weight I lost just in like, I don't know, a day. Like, has it been a day? Almost 24 hours. It's 4:30. I started my fast at 6:30 last night. So it's almost 24 hours. I want to show you guys. I didn't show you guys this earlier, but the app I use when I fast is called Life. I love this app. This is my fasting app. This is where we are right now. We've been fasting for almost 22 hours. Our goal is 48 hours. And right here, it will show you when your body starts to go in ketosis. So when your body is in ketosis, that's when your body uses the stored fat that you have as energy. And that is essentially how you could lose body fat or weight. And then we've already passed the heavy ketosis, so that's exciting. So this one says, I am in heavy ketosis right now. You switched to a fat burning mode and you are generating significant ketones, which is awesome. And then I don't know what this one is. What is this one? Okay, this one, your cells are now recycling old components and breaking down. Okay, the proteins linked to, okay. See, that's awesome. So just like great benefits of fasting. So we're gonna try to make it to Friday night. That's the goal. So I just wanted to show you guys this. Hi guys. So drinking more water just to keep me full during my water fast, but it is currently 7:50 at night. I just took a shower, which is why I look crazy. And I'm just getting some work done at home. Yeah, I'm gonna end the day here. I know it was kind of boring, just kind of taking you guys along and just talking, letting you guys know what I'm doing. But today was a successful day. It's been officially 25 hours. So we have another 24 hours to go. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I just did morning drop off. I'm in front of Target. We're gonna go in and grab a few things I need for the house. Well, I'll show you guys because I filmed it, but I jumped on the scale this morning, guys, and I am literally down almost 3 pounds. It's like 2.8 pounds or something, and I am just like so happy. I feel so good. It's just like not the hard work. It wasn't really hard work, but it was definitely like a lot of like willpower that I had to use yesterday to do my water fast. So I'm still fasting today, and in hopes of fasting until tomorrow around brunch. But if I can get through tonight to 6 p.m., that means I've been fasting for 48 hours and I will feel accomplished. So if we can get there, that'll be good. I can't wait to weigh myself tomorrow. And I know it's not like body fat I'm losing. I know that, guys. It's probably just water weight, but I still feel lighter. I feel good. And I just love scale victories. They keep me, and sometimes these like scale victories and numbers trigger people, which I get, but for me it's like more motivation for me to, you know, keep going. But I can't wait to film the next few videos for you guys, because now that I feel like reset, I am just going to try to just put whole foods, no sugar, like no fast food, just kind of like home cooked meals that are low in calorie, nutritious things. And I can't wait to like buy, film, and just kind of like show you guys like the fresh restart of eating. So yeah, all right, let's go into Target and I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. Right now, let's see, it's only 8 o'clock. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, it is officially 6:30 p.m. on Friday. It has been 48 hours. I've been fasting for 48 hours and I just feel so accomplished. I can't believe I did this. I'm actually gonna keep going until tomorrow morning. I'm gonna break my fast at brunch tomorrow. I'm gonna film my whole weekend for you guys. It's gonna be in the next video, but I am gonna weigh myself, like my official weigh-in tomorrow. You guys will see this after this clip, but it was hard. It was so hard. A lot of willpower, but I feel good. Not only because I've been fasting, but I feel good that I've accomplished something. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay here because I'm gonna show you guys how much I lost officially. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. All right, guys, it's the next morning. Let's see how much I've lost. 173.2.